Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. This is a brand new project design that I absolutely cannot wait to show you. Welcome back, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick project share. I am stoked to share this one with you. I did use the Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby, Vacay Vibes. This has got, 20 different designs in here, 60 sheet paper pad. We didn't need that much paper, and it did not have any cut aparts or stickers with it, so you'll notice that I went along and doodled on my own white cardstock and fussy cut around it, made my own little sentiments. And the entire tutorial series I will leave in the description box down below. It's already available on my website. I really think you'll have fun with this one. I'm just amazed. So right here on the front cover, I did create a frame. And this is a gatefold. As you can see, there's 2 doors. I know I'm kind of obsessed with putting a frame on the front of my books right now. Don't ask me why. I just think, honestly, it would be great if someone's picture was right on the front. And I did pop up these little elements right here. And this is a magnetic closure. Of course, you can use any paper that you want. So right on the inside, oh my goodness, we've got a left panel and a right panel. I'm calling this one my Gateflip Folio, as it's only got one main page flip in here. And oh my gosh, I made my own little flower right here. A couple little leaves, fussy cut around it. This is a 1/4 inch deep gusseted pocket right here. Just made a couple little elements. Look how simple. A couple journaling lines on the back. You can stick an entire stack. Okay, this holds 45 plus photos, this one. It came together in one single day. Okay, super cute little heart on there. And you could fit way more in here, like I said. I did also go nuts with my chalk marker, as you can tell. You can decide to put design paper here, but this paper was so bold. I had an actual party when I was making this. Okay, fussy cut around this. Super excited, we got a frame right here on the center panel. Picture front and back. I didn't matte the inside because I like the bold black showing through. You can matte the inside of this frame. You could switch this frame and these down here. Look at these little flaps. Just wrote that. Magnetic here, magnetic there. You don't even need these to open this way. Look how customizable these books are. And for those of you who are new, I'm an online art instructor specified in these albums and handmade scrapbooks. I've got over 2,200 awesome students, a Facebook group with over 530 of them interacting and sharing their projects together. I would love to see your book, so join the page if you haven't already. And if you're questioning and curious to see my online video classes and what they look like, after we talk about this book together, I play a tutorial trailer. Another feature here, it opens to the left, and I kind of fussy cut around the paper on spots I thought that would look great to peer behind. I've got a nice cool angle here, the opposite of this curvy pocket, and we curve this in, no die cuts needed. Okay, nothing, no fancy tools. It's just a little bit of guidance and you're on your way, and you can make beautiful books without complicated tools. So check it out. These open sideways, right? But you can have them both opening like doors. And we've got an on-page pocket right here. Nice tag, you can put a photo there, or you can even journal about where you went. This is super amazing, and as you could tell, again, I have to thank my friend Suzanne because she inspired me to use this iridescent, amazing paper that I can't get enough of it. I just made my own little element, and this is actually like a little slide block closure right here. And these open up, just wanted to try something new. And this opens to the right. We've got a couple more little fussy cut images here that I made. Nice camera stamp right there. Clear spot to put your photographs, especially if you go to craft fairs, it's a nice display. And I made a little pineapple. And then you guessed it, this is a waterfall. Love the flamingos, they are so cute. Oh my goodness. And you can close this any way you want. Also, for those of you who are maybe questioning if you want to take a class or not, if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you will be notified of new coupons so you can get a deal off your first class. So this thing opens up to the left and it reveals the inside of here. We've got another large pocket, some more of that amazing, yes, iridescent tab right there. I doodled a little umbrella, cut around it, same thing there. And I just thought that looked so fun. Oh my goodness. And then of course we have the little split leaf philodendron right here. a couple photo spots. I did get a new little camera stamp from Amazon, so that's what that little, it's just adorable. It looks like a Polaroid camera. Fussy cut some more of that out, and another waterfall. So this is a new feature. I decided to make like a little box. Again, I did not mat the inside of the pocket. I have like a little ribbon pull tab here that opens this up, and then you can just dump your photos out, really, wherever it is that you are. Just take them right out of there. Also super customizable. You could have even got this box, put it up here, put the waterfall down here, and rotated your box so you can access it from the top. But I thought it was fun that they can all just drop off right here. And the way that I would load your pictures in is just to stand the book up easily, stuff these in here, make sure the pictures are falling out that way, and tuck your little tab in and lock your photos inside, and that is it. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited to see what you had come up with following the class, and oh my gosh, I'm just so thankful for you. Thank you for joining me for this quick share. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Hello, my friend. I am so honored to be here with you today. Welcome to the Gateflip Folio tutorial and my Fiskars paper trimmer. Also along with that, I will be using my ATG gun. I also have an awesome pencil. And right here I have heavyweight Paper Studio, 8.5 by 11 solid black cardstock as well. I'm about to go get myself a bite of pineapple right now. Look at this. Insane. And then we got some green stripes. Now that will be one piece from whatever it is. If you have 8.5 by 11, go ahead and use it now, and then just put the edge of the paper right at the edge of that adhesive. And you can put as many or as few pieces of this tape as you'd like in here. You can't tell me that's not one of the most beautiful corners you've made. Look at you. A total of 2 pieces with our scraps, 1 1/4 by 5 3/8. 5 3/4 inches along the top, at 1/2 inch. The protruding outward, I like to fold toward the bumpy side of the score mark. Okay, well, I'm going to flip this over where I'm on the mountain side now. Not in the valley, but on the mountain is where I lay my tape. Even though there's 2 score marks, I'm just going to stick to the top score mark and cut inward like this. Beautiful. And then we have 1C, 3 1/4 by 5 3/4. Coat your stamp of whatever kind it is that you're using evenly, and then just give it a nice press. Doesn't have to be perfect. Once you do that, go ahead and line that one up. Place them down. We need to cut one piece out, which is going to measure 5/8 of an inch by 5 3/4 across. I really am leaning toward this